sila na, let's all go to Shakey's. Di ba? Sa opening pa lang. Eh kaso napaka-formal ng volleyball kasi. Oh, yan ang schedule sa TV. Ngayon, kilalanin si Kim Dayan Salas. 15 years old, college freshman taking human bio sa San Beda College. She's from Santa Mesa, Manila. She's a very nice young girl. Smile for all of you. At as usual, may wave para sa inyo. Meron pa siyang Shakey's pizza.
Kaya naman napapa-wave eh.
Yes, indeed. Parang yung wave, actually, ibig sabihin na, akin lang ito, wala kayo nito.
Huwag nyo nang ambisyonin.
Manigas kayong lahat.
So far, USC 6 attack points at 5 unforced errors na. Ang Perpetual, 10 attack points pero with the same number of unforced errors.
Sulga, ayun na naman, another unforced error proving to be the bane of the team from Cebu.
Nahihirapan talaga ang USC today dito sa depensa nila. We've seen better defense from this squad.
They started out so well. They took a 3-0 lead. Then they lost the next 6 points, which all went the way of Perpetual, actually. Sandra with a simple dink. That is a sharply heaved shot by Panis Hule. Kasi ang ganda ng alertness talaga. Oh, hindi pa ready ang hands niya.
Yep, once again, ayan na naman yung pagtitinginan sa depensa.
There's that horrible drill, remember, from volleyball days wherein, look at this, she was going to reach for it na itataas mo yung bola.
Sige, tanda mo ito galingon. Sa pala kita, kasa pa ng bulan. Hindi, yung preso ng bulan, mag-isip, hindi ko isim lang. Wala yung bulas mo mo, makakaglanaan ng bulan. Totoo, kaya pa kayo na kayo, pa kayo na.
Disinwebe, 11. Unang set nakuha ko ng Perpetual. So ang Lady Altas threatening to kick out the Lady Warriors from the tournament here. Both winless so far. Survival battle po ito. Battle.
Oh,
Labas.
Diaz gets it a bit wide. Ganda sana yung palo.
Ang ganda palo pero hindi pinagbigyan ng bagsak ng bola. Si Prakas, no, when she gets back into the court, takes her own sweet time walking and she won't rush to it.
Gusto ba natin itanong kay Michelle Datuin yan? Kung sasali.
Sa competition ni Michelle. Si Michelle may kasalanan nito eh.
Kung pwede rin isali.
Ang kanyang competition ay ang binibining apoy. Bawal na yung babaeng yun dito ha.
Oh, bingo! 6 big points already. Diaz having 4. At hindi man si Diaz ang libero ng Perpetual.
Akala namin, kumakain ng malakas, di sana si Ann Remulla yung tinamaan. Kasi alam mo naman si Ann kung kumain, parang ano yun, parang
Laglag na laglag
diba?
na si ate.
Parang kargadora kumain yun.
Carpintero lang.
Diba?
Affectan.
Diba? Akala namin ganun ang direksyon. Bigla na kumakain ng apoy si May Tajima. Double block. Sandra can't find the spot.
I think got it checked. So Perpetual
okay.
gets that point.
And it becomes 2014. Timeout taken. Let's sneak in.
Mawil lang. Basta nag-block yung iso lang kamo ti-block niyo sa hindi ang magyanan para hindi kang mulay. May gusto mong tinimgawas. Kaya mula na kasi nga pag-check-check. Siyo lang yun ang kamo. Pinsa tagawa sa block, hindi pinsa. Bantay sa drop. Kung mula, matulpungan lang ang mula para masin. Apak ang mula ang mayo niya. Numat, sa pulay mapak.
And that's the Sunday schedule, April 28, 2013. Bastay against Lasal, Dasma, Adamson, and Perpetual. Masaya yung Perpetual, Adamson, daming athletic na players.
Oh, overreaching violation will be called on Sandra De Los Santos.
And it is now 15 against 20. Kondada. Ba? Nilakad yung pick-up, ano?
Oh,
Hindi-
Braca.
Si Praka walang tempo today. That's off Praka.
De Los Santos using Braca to take that point. Kita niya, single block.
Shakey's for Fun Family Pizza. It's gotta be Shakey's.
Oh, ganda naman na serve ni Diaz.
Ay, malakas na babae eh. Kanina pa siya, oh. Si Argarin, initian pa niya si Bate. Dahil huli kita.
So another enforced error there on the side of the USC.
Points have been coming in trickles.
Yep.
It's very slow on the part of USC. Long.
Well, you can really tell because Aranas now with only 5 excellent sets. Argarin, 17. So, more than triple pa ng nagawa ni Aranas. Ang setting job na nagawa ni Argarin so far.
This is a name. Utol Sukalit is coming in for the first time for Bate. And Relota is back in the game. I think she's going to be the setter in place of Maris Aranas. Guillermo. And that's outside. Pag nakasingit ka ng isang point, ganda talaga ng ngiti mo. Iba, ano?
Lalo na yung off the bench.
Yep.
Tapos quick point kagad.
Saka masaya yung starters nun
Pati
eh.
coach mo eh.
Ah,
Para bang ang ganda ng bunot.
Yep. Galing-galing.
Galing
Coach, I knew all the whiles. And that is outside.
That was-
Set point.
That was coming from the back row. Panis. Alam mo, USC already now trying all sorts of offense,
Yeah.
pero nothing really clicking so far.
Confidence eh. Ooh, off the face of Ubinge. Sulga. Oh, muntik na regalo yun.
Oh, it's still playable.
That'll stay down. Praka got that through.
Medyo yung mindset ng Perpetual in that last play. Kala nila tapos na eh.
Yes. Again, until the referee whistles, it's the play's not over. Abby Praka all set to serve. Guillermo.
Oh, nice set.
Sulga. Tobino.
Oh, that did
Double
go
touch.
over.
Double touch.
Double touch.
Molde is coming in for the first time. He's going to replace Praka, who now runs out. That's Pam Molde. First time to see action.
Baka si coach wants a sure serve.
And
Oh,
ganda.
hindi lang sure.
Just slightly above the net. Sukalit knelt down for that one. Yazulga in a joust. Yeah, nice steal.
Sulga winning that over Suyat. So, unti-unti, lumalaban pa
Oh,
dito.
laban lang, laban lang.
Ating ladies from Cebu.
Hey,
Oh.
too much of a good thing. And the second serve was a bad relative coming to the party. And that'll do it for the second set. 2-set-to-love lead by the ladies from Perpetual Health. We'll take a quick look at our shake and play, which I will stretch because they're still rewinding.
Eh, yung magic wand mo kasi, hindi mo pa ginagamit
Hindi pa maarangkada. But no question about this second set. It could be a short twist. That's the end of our second set, 25-19, 25-14 in the first.